Ikaw bahala kung gusto mong gamitin. Nasa sa'yo yan. Nasa sa'yo ang sagot sa lahat.
Grabe, nasopan niya ako sa food.
Nakalive ako.
Ay, nakalive.
Charot.
Ayaw mo?
Alright. So, well, doing hard work actually beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Okay, so we need to keep pushing forward. It's hashtag work mode now and hashtag stay motivated. Guys, thank you very much for being part of our community, my community, our community. It's our community because we contribute to our community, and the community is actually for free. And again, my community page is facebook.com/groups/branch of VA/enter. Okay, so I am about to fix myself to go to work. Well, typically we want ourselves to be ano ba to? Professional. What is the word na? Oh, presentable. So we want to be presentable. Even though we are just working from home, we want to be presentable because ourself, it gives us more pumped, okay, sa pagtatrabaho. And so that's what I'm going to do. Come on, let's go. So, hindi mawawala sa atin ang ating blush. Ating blush. So, I have here my blush. I'm just going to put on some. Actually, this is not blush, but this is like the contour. Oh, hindi po ako magaling mag makeup ha. So, just so you know. I'm not very good in doing my makeup, pero I want to keep myself presentable, so that's why we're going to apply our blush. Char. Hindi tayo makeup vlogger. Ayan. After the contour, we put on our the blush. Very, very fast lang, as in like wala pang 5 minutes, tapos na ang ating makeup. Ganon. Ayan, okay. And then, after that, tapos na yun. We're going to put on our lipstick. Okay. So that's what, about a minute, a minute or two, yun na yun. Kung you feel like putting on some, yun na yun. So even in my lives, in my videos, I also do the same makeup routine, ganon. Yun na yun. Because hirap magtanggal ng makeup, ang hirap mag-maintain, no? So, happy working, guys! Happy working to everyone, and stay tuned. Again, we're going to be doing our advanced social media managing on March 1. We don't have a time yet, but sure na to. Promise na to. Naka-schedule na to. Okay? See you! Bye!